Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your computer. First, you will need to purchase the game from a digital storefront like Steam. Once purchased, download and install it, ensuring your system meets the minimum requirements for a smooth experience. A stable internet connection is also essential for the initial download and accessing online features, such as user-created levels. This process is straightforward and gets you ready to jump into the action. Mastering the controls is key to success in Geometry Dash. The primary action is jumping, which you perform by pressing the spacebar or the up arrow key. For longer jumps or to activate certain game mechanics, you can hold down the jump button. Precise timing is incredibly important. Even a fraction of a second can determine whether you clear an obstacle or crash. Practice these basic movements to build your foundational skills. Geometry Dash offers several engaging ways to play. Beyond the official levels, you can dive into practice mode, which allows you to place checkpoints at any point. This feature is invaluable for learning difficult sections without restarting the entire level. Furthermore, the robust level editor empowers you to design and share your own custom levels with a global community, offering endless creative possibilities and new challenges. To truly excel at Geometry Dash, begin by tackling the easier official levels to grasp the core mechanics. Dedicate significant time to practice mode, using its checkpoint system to conquer the most challenging parts of any level. Observing experienced players' gameplay videos can also provide valuable insights and reveal advanced strategies. Consistent practice and learning from others will significantly improve your performance and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.